Akshat. How was your day at school?
Mom, today was a great day. But during physical education period, I ran fast. Hence, I got tired.
Good. But you should connect your sentences with and. You should say, I ran fast and got tired.
But why, Mom?
Because and, or, and but are conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that is used to join words, group of words, or two sentences.
Mom, you were telling me about conjunctions. Can you tell me more about them?
Sure, Akshat. For example, I ran fast and got tired. Here, and joins two sentences. I ran fast and I got tired.
Got it, Mom.
Some common conjunctions are and, or, but, because, that, so, etc. Now, Akshat, why don't you make some sentences using these conjunctions?
Sure, Mom. Here are some sentences. Gary is sad because he is late for school. Rakesh is tall, but Sunil is short. You must hurry or you will miss the train.
Very good, Akshat.
Thanks, Mom. You are great. You always teach me something new.